We got a 2017 BMW 440. Came through, we gave it a muffler delete, a Muffy D, very basic stuff. It's stock all the way through. This is where we did all the work. We took that dusty muffler, got it out of here, but the customer is gonna keep it. Of course, I always say this in case you have a lease, you wanna put it back on, or you just wanna sell the car, always good to keep it. This is where we put the Y pipe in and then just split it, ran 2.5-inch piping and hit them with these M Performance carbon fiber tips. Check those out. All right, we're gonna bring it down and let me know how she sounds.